Here we are back at it again with Tactics Overland. Today we're just going to do a quick unboxing of a knife made by Gerber. It's the Gerber StrongArm Magnacut. Yeah, I believe that everybody that goes out camping, out in the backcountry, anywhere like that, needs to have some kind of good utility knife while they're out there, whether it's for camp cooking, or cutting wood, possibly self-defense. So yeah, let's go right into it. Here's the box it came in. It's a pretty small box, but yeah, anyways, it's the StrongArm made by Gerber. Open this up. Set that over there, don't need that. Get that. We got a manual, some paperwork. So yeah, that's that. And what I didn't know is I like Fisker's products. The axe, the hatchet, even the shovel that I carry on my Jeep are all made by Fisker's. I believe they're made in Finland. But I guess they own Gerber. So that's that. Some more documentation. Let's get this out of here. And then right here, this is for a belt loop to carry it on your belt. Get rid of that box over there. So there's that. That's pretty much what it comes with. You got the sheath, which feels pretty well made. And then you got this. You can hang it off your belt. There's a belt loop right there. You could lower it. You could adjust it. You could take this off the sheath. But yeah, that just clamps right onto there. And like I said, this is the Magnacut version, which is a lot stronger steel. Which I'm not really a big knife expert, but I did need something, just to have, to do some stuff while at camp and while off the grid, and I wanted something reliable, and Gerber came out with this Magnacut steel version of the StrongArm. It's made in the US. And for the price point of this, I mean, I'm going to be beating it up a lot. So for the price point of this, I mean, makes sense. I believe they sell for around $160 for these. And for the Magnacut steel, I believe is a really good option. because you could get other knives out there with Magnacut that are way above 200. And for the blade length, and this thing is pretty nice. It says Magnacut right there, right up here. So there we go, we got that. And I believe this is to, if you want to wear it on your belt, other than just hanging it from your belt, where it just hangs everywhere. You could take this right here, and it fits nicely right in there. And then this right here just slides right in there. And just clips right in. And that is solid. That is not going anywhere. But yeah, the steel quality, I mean, it has some weight to it. I don't have anything to test the sharpness of it. But I mean, this thing's solid. Good grip to it. I mean, for a good utility knife while you're out in the backcountry, camping, prepping food, which I do have knives ready for prepping food, so this most likely won't be used for that, or self-defense if need be. For that, I carry, I don't know, for the last couple of years, been carrying this this Osborne made by Benchmade. Has some wear to it. I mean, this thing is a really solid knife. Highly recommend that knife right there. But as for the Magnacut, I mean, this thing's like I said, it's a solid knife. I mean, for utility stuff, cutting wood, rope, whatever else you might need it for. So far, the feel of this, I mean, highly recommend it. Just got to find a place to mount this in my Jeep. And maybe I'll show a picture or so on my Instagram or something where I'll be mounting this in the Jeep. For the sheath, I mean, this thing is, it's solid. The cool thing about these strong arms, they go in whichever way. Do it both ways. Put it in that way. Put it in there that way. Whichever you decide to carry it. Or there's a lot of counterfeit Gerber StrongArms on the market. So I'll say be cautious of where you buy your knives. But this one's not a counterfeit. This one's legit. There's a bunch of ways you could tell, and there's videos on that will tell you the signs to look out for a counterfeit. But yeah, solid knife. Highly recommend. Just by the feel of it, by the look of it. I mean this thing's solid. So yeah, that's a short open box video on the Gerber StrongArm Magnacut steel. I can see myself using this in the future a lot while at camp. Probably won't be wearing it on a belt. Like I said, it'll be mounted somewhere in my Jeep. So I might actually take this off, so I won't be needing this. But I believe anybody that goes out in the backcountry camping should always have a really good all-around utility knife. And for the price point for Magnacut steel, I mean, this is my personal opinion, a good option to go. So yeah, if you like this kind of content, you want to see more different kind of unboxings, gear reviews, just leave it in the comment of what you would want me to review or do an open box on what product. And like always, don't forget to like, subscribe if you like this kind of content and you want to see more upcoming in the future of this kind of content. Yeah, like and subscribe. I mean, I'll post pictures of stuff, of my content, of gear, also across my other social platforms, Instagram. So you could go check that out. Till next time.